Welcome back to Auto Hub Info. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated sports cars of 2025, the all-new Honda S2000. This legendary Roadster is making a grand return, blending its classic high-revving spirit with modern-day performance and technology. If you love speed, agility, and open-top driving, you won't want to miss this. Cut to vintage footage of the original S2000 from 1999. Host, narration over clips. The Honda S2000 first hit the streets in 1999 as a celebration of Honda's 50th anniversary. It quickly became an icon thanks to its lightweight chassis, razor-sharp handling, and that screaming VTEC engine that could rev up to 9,000 RPM. Production lasted until 2009, and since then enthusiasts have been begging for a comeback. Fast forward to 2025, and Honda has finally answered the call with a reimagined S2000 that stays true to its roots while embracing the future. Cut to a detailed CGI rendering of the 2025 S2000, breaking down the design elements. Host. So, what makes this new S2000 special? Well, Honda has taken inspiration from the past while injecting cutting-edge engineering into the mix. The result, a two-seater Roadster that delivers pure driving joy. This model is built on a lightweight aluminum chassis, ensuring a perfect balance of rigidity and agility. The design remains sleek and aerodynamic, with a low stance, wide track and aggressive front fascia that screams performance. Transition to a global map showing sales statistics. Host. The original S2000 was a massive success worldwide, with the US, Japan, and Europe being its biggest markets. Now in 2025, those same regions are expected to see the highest demand. The US remains the largest market for the S2000 thanks to its strong car culture and love for performance vehicles. Japan follows closely, with the S2000 being a beloved pieced up Honda's sports car legacy. Europe, especially countries like the UK and Germany, has also shown significant enthusiasm due to its affinity for well-balanced roadsters. Cut to footage of the car in motion, weaving through winding mountain roads. Host. Popularity-wise, the 2025 S2000 is already making waves in the automotive world. Car enthusiasts and collectors are eager to get their hands on this modernized legend. Social media is buzzing, forums are filled with discussions, and dealerships are receiving overwhelming pre-orders. It's safe to say Honda has struck gold once again. Switch to an engine close-up, with performance stats appearing on the screen. Host. Now let's talk about what really matters. Performance under the hood. The new S2000 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, pushing out an impressive 330 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. Honda engineers have fine-tuned this powertrain to deliver an exhilarating driving experience reminiscent of the hyped revving VTEC days, but with a modern turbocharged twist. The rear-wheel drive set remains, paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a lightning-fast dual-clutch automatic. Cut to a drag strip where the S2000 launches from a standstill. Host. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just under 4.5 seconds, this car is no slouch. The lightweight construction and finely tuned suspension make it a dream to handle on both the track and the streets. Honda has also introduced an adaptive damping system, allowing drivers to switch between comfort, sport, and track modes for a customized experience. Switch to a gas pump as the S2000 pulls up. Host. But what about fuel efficiency? In an era where efficiency matters just as much as performance, Honda has ensured that the new S2000 delivers a respectable fuel economy. With an estimated 28 miles per gallon combined, this Roadster balances power with efficiency, making it practical for both daily drives and weekend canyon runs. Transition to off-road and track clips showcasing its capabilities. Host. While the S2000 has always been known as a corner carving machine, Honda has expanded its capabilities. The 2025 model features an enhanced limited slip differential, providing better traction and stability. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or attacking a racetrack, the S2000 responds with precision. The new electric power steering is tuned for a more natural feel, giving drivers a direct connection to the road. Cut to a showcase of the S2000's interior with close-ups of the dashboard, seats, and infotainment system. Host. Inside, Honda has blended minimalism with modern tech. The cockpit is driver-focused, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster, a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system. The seats are designed for both comfort and support, making long drives and spirited runs equally enjoyable. Close-up shots of special features such as the retractable soft-top roof and premium materials. Host. One of the key features of the S2000 has always been its open-top experience, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. The lightweight retractable soft-top can be lowered in just 10 seconds, letting you enjoy the wind in your hair at a moment's notice. For those who prefer a hardtop, Honda is offering a carbon fiber roof option as well. Cut to a dealership showroom, displaying pricing information. Host. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Honda S2000 starts at around $55,000 and for the base model, with higher trims and additional packages, pushing it closer to $65,000 and, while this places it in competition with cars like the Toyota GR Supra and Nissan Z, the S2000 stands out with its perfect blend of heritage performance and modern innovation. Cut to a closing montage of the S2000 on various terrains, showcasing its versatility. Host. So, what makes the new Honda S2000 a must-buy? It's simple. It's a driver's car in every sense. From its high-revving turbocharged engine to its lightweight, rear-wheel drive setup, this Roadster delivers an experience that few cars in its class can match. Whether you're a longtime fan of the S2000 or new to the world of Honda performance, this car offers the perfect balance of speed, agility, and driving excitement. The final shot, the S2000 parked with a sunset in the background, engine idling as the camera slowly fades to black. Host. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Honda S2000. What do you think of this modern take on a classic? Would you choose this over its competitors? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content. See you in the next one. Drive safe and stay passionate about cars. Outro animation with Auto Hub info logo and social media links.